Okay, so this is the first of our HIIT workouts. So we class this as suitable for beginners. So listen to the beeps. Charlotte is going to perform a bear crawl. So we're going to work forward and backwards on this because imagine we're working in a confined space. So so it's a forward and backward bear crawl pattern, opposite hand and foot movements. It's difficult going backwards. She's listening out for the... Okay, that's 20 seconds. Okay, so you get the beep when it stops, and it gives you a 3-second beep on the count in for the next one. So we're working on a 20-second work, 20-second rest ratio, but we're working 2 exercises, so we're not just flogging one exercise. So this is her second one. This is going to be squat jumps. Yep, so we're in 20-second squat jumps. So she's just done bear crawl, 20 seconds. She's had 20-second rest, she's now going into 20-second squat jumps. So we're looking at the loading phase here. We're down to between a half and a quarter squat position, and we're driving up using the arms to create that leverage and that height, and that's time. So listening for those beeps. So 20 seconds work, 20 seconds recovery. She's now back onto bear crawl. So we've got equal recovery time, which is why we say this is suitable for beginners. The choice of exercise is down to the individual. You can substitute these exercises. Obviously, here's the next one. Yep. So regressing the bear crawl. Obviously, there's good mobility in the hips required to be down in this position. Some people are going to have an elevated backside, so we call that high bear, which is fine. We can still work with that as long as the torso is tight, so we're squeezing our abdominals, protecting the back. We can go with a higher hip position. It's still a tough exercise. Time. Good. And then on the squat, depending on your knee health, you might want to regress this to just being an air squat. You can squat to a box. Next one, starting 3 seconds. 2, 1. Here we go. We're using the jump squat as it's a highly metabolic movement. We're able to exert high force when we're doing this, so big energy expenditure. So we're trying to get that heart rate high. We're working hard for 20 seconds, so we're pushing it. And time, and then we've got 20 seconds. So it's the recovery time that makes this a little bit more straightforward. And obviously based on your fitness level, it's going to dictate how hard you go on each of these intervals. But the intention of high intensity interval training is that you work up to a very high intensity. So you're trying to get maximal output for the duration that you're working for. So obviously the shorter the duration, the harder you're going to be working to create that high intensity. Good, good. So she's nailed down the reverse pattern now. That does take some time, sometimes to work it through, a little bit of coordination time. Good stuff. So here we go. Ready for our squat jumps again. Is that round 3 or round 4?
3.
She's enjoying it that much, she's lost in it. Okay, ready, let's go. Up we go. So drive, that's it. So go. Next time, keep going, keep going, keep going. Get through this one. And change that hand action she's got at the moment. Good. Okay. So we'll do one more round. This is to be done, depending on your level of fitness, 6 to 8 times. So minimum 6, up to 8 times, no more than 8. We're going to do it 4 times. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and off we go. So the faster you move on this bear crawl, with good technique of course, the more you get out of it. So the better you become, the fitter you become, the faster I want you to work on this. Good. Nearly there. And again, straight in there. Good, there we go. Okay, and one more time this. So this one, try and propel your arms forward with the movement of the jump. Okay, ready? This is our last one. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Good, good, good. There we go. So the arm should drive us upwards. Good, we're nearly there. High as you can, and reload straight back up. Good, good, good. And time. Well done. That's 4 rounds done. You remember you're taking that to 6, minimum of 6, maximum of 8 rounds.